Hi everyone, welcome back to another masterclass with the English Maestro. My name is Joel and I make these videos to try to help you improve your speaking in English. Okay, so today we're going to look at a few words that cause a lot of problems and confusion for students. These 5 words are sore, hurt, painful, pain, and ache. I've had a lot of students ask me about why they are different and why they make mistakes when they are using them. These words here actually remind me of one student who used to make fun of me when I was teaching because I did hurt my back. And she would send me text messages and ask if I was out of bed yet and when I was coming back to class. Anyway, so you know who you are and you did enjoy making fun of me about this. Anyway, I'm going to use these words in a sentence and then in a paragraph to show you how to use them. Please take careful note of how I use them, and after I finish the video, I will go through and explain the differences. Okay, so the last time I went to the doctor was because I had a sore back. I actually hurt my back lifting my daughter out of the car. I had hurt it previously in the gym. When I was at the doctor, he asked if I felt pain in my lower back. It was so painful that I could hardly talk to him. He said there wasn't much he could do, so he just gave me some painkillers and I went home. The painkillers made me a bit drowsy, but they did take the pain away. I don't recommend a sore back to anyone. I have had chronic headaches and toothaches, but never anything like this. Anyway, now I have a six-pack so I don't get back pain anymore. Okay, so did you notice how I used these words in sentences? Let's go through them together and I'll show you why I use them differently. The first one, I had a sore back. In this sentence, sore will be an adjective. I hurt my back. Hurt is a verb. He asked if I felt pain. Pain is a noun. It was so painful. Painful is an adjective. They did take the pain away. Again, pain is a noun. I have had chronic headaches and toothaches. And I don't get back pain anymore. Again, pain is a noun. So you can see how I use them differently and why. A lot of students aren't sure what type of words they are. Pain, hurt, sore. They can't see the difference. But if you can see that this is an adjective, this is a noun, and this is a verb, then you will be able to use it a lot more easily. Okay, so hopefully that helped you. What I would like you to do, I would like you to record yourself speaking about something like this. A time when you hurt yourself or you felt pain, and try to use these words to describe it. If you want to get in contact with me, you can check out my Instagram pages up here. And if you want to have a lesson online, make sure you just contact me through these, and I'm sure we can help you improve your English. Thanks for watching. Peace.